Hello, this is Cody. I'm doing another quick video today. We are doing the bar replacement on my KLX 250SF. I went down pretty hard and jacked the bars down pretty much to here. I took a torch and bent them back up, but just got back from the Cowie dealership and I have some new protaper bars. And pretty much it's very simple. You could probably use this idea to do pretty much any bike. Some bikes don't have the control for the blinkers. Mine happens to be street legal, so blinkers, horn, light. Pretty much it's two 8mm bolts to pop this off. You unscrew these and just rest it, alongside somewhere. It's one 10mm bolt for the clutch lever. I find it's easier to, instead of undoing the clutch cable, just pop these four 12mm bolts for the bars and slide the bar out from underneath the clutch lever where it is. Also, you have to take the grip off, obviously. There's two Phillips head screws right there for the light control, and for the throttle control, there's two Phillips head screwdrivers right there. And then pretty much you put the new bars and put everything back together. Fairly simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you later. Hello everybody. So I got the bars on and it took a little longer than I thought. I really thought it was going to be a quick job, but it doesn't work out that way sometimes. It was a simple fix, but pretty much I'll show you what happened was everything went on good. Here's the bars. Pretty much what happened was over here, the throttle cable, as you can see, kind of goes into this little, behind this little guide here, and being that these bars were wider, came out to here, it stretched the throttle assembly to where when I turned it this way, or no, it was this way, it stretched the cable out, and pretty much gave me, she's still pretty tight, but it pretty much stuck the throttle on me while I was trying to turn and almost wrecked. So what I had to do was cut about 2 inches off each end of the bar and slide this throttle cable out from under here and kind of, get some more slack on it. Not quite sure why Kawasaki literally gave you the most minimal amount of room for throttle cable space, but it was a simple fix. So this is what the bars look like. Really good. And that's pretty much it.